Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I have a very special guest with me. She is one of my cutest fans and friend. Her name is Fatiha Ayat. Fatiha is 6 years old. She got recognition from Congresswoman Grace Meng. She was also mentioned in the address of Minister of Status of Women of Canada Maryam Monsif. She was invited by U.S. Youth Observer to UN Munira Khalifa in the celebration of UN Day. She has special interest in mathematics.
Assalamu alaikum, Maryam.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
So, I'm very happy to have you on my show today.
Me too, I'm also happy.
I heard that you are my die-hard fan, so how did you find out about me?
Thank you, Maryam, for asking me this question. I came from New York all the way to New Jersey just to meet you. So last Ramadan, I searched different types of surahs. Then I found you. I clicked that video. That video what I saw was Surah Yasin. That was really good. Then I saw how you recited. That was really good. Then I started knowing that you're from Bangladesh and you're the Hafiz of the Holy Quran. Then I started reciting the Surah Fil from you. My mom taught me that.
Yeah. Which school do you go to?
I go to PS16 in Corona.
Oh, and you live in New York, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's your favorite thing to do when you're at home? Like, what's your hobby?
My hobby is to watch your videos in the TV and Fatima's.
Oh, you like Fatima's videos
Yeah.
too? So which one's your favorite video from all the videos we made?
Like when you took the interview with her. That was
Oh,
really
you
good.
like that video?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites too. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red and sometimes pink.
So what do you do in your free time?
I watch your videos, then I try to recite like you, and I try to write like you when you write your Arabic.
Oh. Okay, so what do you want to do today? What do you want to do?
Today I'm going to do 2 portions. I'm going to recite a surah and I'm going to show you an amazing thing.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Can I see the surah now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm going to do the surah Al-Baqarah, the last 3 ayats.
Okay, go ahead.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن تبدوا ما في أنفسكم أو تخفوا يحاسبكم به الله فيغفر لمن يشاء ويعذب من يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليه المصير لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت عليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
MashaAllah, subhanallah, that was
Thank
so
you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah, that was really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you for reciting for me. So what are you going to show me today?
Today I'm going to show you the mathematical magic in the Quran.
Oh, that's really interesting. I can't wait to learn about it. You can start.
Okay. So we know that Quran is the only divine book, and then I thought there must be some mathematical magic in this Quran, and then found some. So today I'm going to show you the mathematical magic in the Quran.
Okay.
Okay, can I start?
Yeah.
So I have a list, And in the first column, I have my numbers of surahs, and the second column, I have my numbers of verses. For example, surah number 1 has like 7 verses. For example, surah number 3 has 200 verses. And my third column, I have my totals. That means when I add 1 plus 7, then I'll get 8, right? So like when I add 3 and 200, then I'll get 203, right? So in my fourth and my fifth, this one's the odd column. This one's my even column, yeah. So like when I add 1 plus 7, I get 8. So 8 is an even number, so put in the even number column because it's the even number. But I cannot put in the odd number because it's not an odd number. For example, surah number 3 has 200 verses. When I add them, they'll get 203. Then it's an odd number, not an even number. So add in the odd one. So like that's why I listed all of them.
Okay. So what I observed here is that if you total the odd numbers and the even numbers column, then for both of them you would get 57. So what is the relation here?
The relationship that it'll be 57 in the other ones and 57 in the even in the odds. So then it'll be 114.
So basically, the half of 114 is 57.
Yeah.
That's really amazing.
Yeah, that's the main part. No one can do that except Allah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
SubhanAllah.
The next amazing thing I'm going to show you, Maryam, is that we're going to take the repetitive numbers and put it in this box, and we're going to take the non-repetitive numbers and put in this box.
So what is the repetitive numbers?
Repetitive numbers are the numbers that repeats again and again. Like, for example, you see the 125? That is going to be repetitive again right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Like 95 is repetitive right there.
All right.
And the non-repetitives mean that it's not repeating again and again. It's only repeating once.
All right, I understand.
So when I add the repetitives, then I'll get 7906. And when I add the non-repetitives, then I'll get the 4885. So when I add the bigger number to this. When I divide the bigger number to the smaller number, then I'll get the 1.618. Maryam?
Yes?
Do you know why 1.618 is a special number?
No, I don't.
Because it's the golden ratio.
Oh.
And do you know what is the golden ratio?
No.
It's all over the world. It's in the human bodies. It's in our face, in the hands, and it's also in the galaxies. It's in the space. It's anywhere you can find. It's in nature, flowers, fruits, vegetables.
Oh, wow, that's really cool.
Yeah. I'll show you some other golden ratios in the places in the Quran. Here, the Makkah. Allah has mentioned the word Makkah only once in the Quran. It's in ayat number 3 and
surah number 3, verse 96.
Yeah. Can you say that for me?
Sure. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن أول بيت وضع للناس للذي ببكة مباركا وهدى للعالمين. In this ayah, Bakka actually refers to Mecca, as you have said.
Yeah. So now I'm going to show you something cool.
Okay.
So you heard the word Bakka? Allah has mentioned the word Makkah to Bakka. So when you so now from the beginning to the word Bakka, there are 29 letters, and the rest part is 18 letters. So when you divide 29 by 18, you'll get the golden ratio 1.618. Isn't it amazing?
That's really amazing, yeah.
No one can do it except Allah. Kaaba is not only in the golden ratio in the Quran, it's also in the real earth. Like from the North Pole to the Kaaba, it is 7,631 kilometers, and from the South Pole to the North Pole, it's 12,000 348 kilometer. When you divide them, then you'll get the golden ratio 1.618. How amazing that no one can do except Allah, right?
Yeah, that's really cool. Subhanallah.
That is what I wanted to show you today.
Oh, that was really cool. That subhanallah that was really amazing, and I was really impressed.
Thank you.
So now I'm going to share with you a few things.
Okay.
Fatiha, you're like my younger sister, and I really love you. We are still young now, and in the rest of our lives, we're gonna face lots of troubles and difficulties. So today, I'm gonna give you 2 pieces of advice, and also from the Holy Quran, and also I will tell you a really interesting story, and I'm sure you'll love that story. It's kind of funny too.